My vegetable is kalbo now because I already picked a lot of them for today's breakfast, brunch, whatever. Transferred a lot of greens also, while my garlics are growing. Garlic. My peas are almost ready to vine. Got my mulberry in the pot. Fix this pot also because it cracked. It's old. So we're probably gonna transfer this somewhere when all these other vegetables are done. So far, these are growing. More vegetables. Then I have some water spinach in there underneath if it's gonna grow anyway. Transplanted again. Some of the vegetables. That's my seedless avocado, honeycrisp, calamansi, mulberry. Bless you. Got to transfer my rows. And then I have to work on this one. And then I have the other rows over here. I got to use this pretty pot. Of course, my garlics, they're also coming out now. And I'm gonna be adding something in there too. Or I'm waiting for the potato to shoot out, then put it in there. So far, my persimmon is still doing good. And of course, this one just keeps flowering. But I'm removing the fruit so that they can concentrate on growing. I just let them flower, then remove the fruit. This one I'm gonna transfer also in a nice pot, maybe. So far, that's how it is with my plants. My dragon fruit. Of course, my tangerine. I only have a few fruit left, but that's okay. It's still a baby anyway. Of course, my pomegranate, they're almost ready. I'ma put